What if I told you that you could redesign an entire landing page in under 5 minutes using nothing but natural language? No coding, no design skills needed. Just plain English. So here's my landing page, and I want to change the heading to something more relevant for today's AI world. I'll just say, make the heading design intro in the age of AI. Boom, instant update. But wait, let's make this whole page speak to my Gen Z audience. Time to get a little spicy with the language. Make the content more in the language of Gen Z. And just like that, the entire page transforms. No manual editing, no overthinking. Now let's completely change the vibe. I'm feeling dark and moody. Change the theme to dark theme. Perfect. But I want my buttons to pop. Purple is the move. Make the buttons purple. Look at that. The AI doesn't just change colors, it maintains the entire design harmony. You know what? The flow feels off. I want to reorganize this. Move the what you'll be vibing section before the struggling with messy design section. Bone, watch this magic happen. It's not just copy-paste. The AI intelligently restructures the entire user journey while keeping everything beautiful. Time to add some personality. Instead of a boring static photo, let's get animated. Replace my photo with this GIF. Now we're talking. And let's embed a YouTube video right in the agenda section. Just drop the link and ask for it. No embed codes, no technical headaches, just pure simplicity. But here's where most tools fail. Those bullet points in my agenda, they're not giving main character energy. Watch this. Make the agenda section a timeline structure instead of bullet points. This is where the real magic happens. Look at that transformation. It's not just changing the layout, it's completely reimagining the component with proper spacing, visual hierarchy, and modern design patterns. Like having a senior designer in your pocket. One final touch, because why not go full cinematic? Add this full-width image after the FAQ section. Perfect positioning, perfect sizing, perfect integration. 4 minutes. That's all it took. Think about what just happened here. We completely transformed our landing page. Changed themes, restructured content, added multimedia, redesigned components, integrated custom media, all through simple conversation. This is Topmate sites, where your ideas become reality at the speed of thought. No design degree required, no coding bootcamp needed. You describe what you want and watch it happen in real time. Ready to turn your expertise into a stunning online presence? Try Topmate sites today and watch your vision come to life.